Baby swimming provides a wonderful bonding and learning experience with many well-documented benefits to age child development. Passionate about creating a clean, safe swimming environment, Splashabout have created the Happy Nappy Costume. Approved by swim schools worldwide, this product has an inbuilt Happy Nappy to ensure safe swimming, ensuring no fecal leaks. The Happy Nappy Costume is made from super soft-lined waterproof neoprene to cover the bottom, with a chlorine-resistant lycra top for a gentle fit. Specialist fabric forms the internal waist and leg ribs to create the full Happy Nappy, giving a secure, snug, yet comfortable seal against fecal leaks. The Happy Nappy fits by rolling down the top and pulling on the nappy. Ensure that the bottom is fully pulled up and the waistband sits above the belly button. Roll up the lycra section and feed the baby's arms through the top of the garment. The leg band should fit snugly around the thighs. The Happy Nappy Costume from Splashabout, providing all the protection you need against fecal leaks to give parents and swimmers complete peace of mind. Splashabout, changing the world one bottom at a time.